Question number one. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets in children? Correct option is C. Vitamin D. Question number two. Which organism causes tuberculosis infection? Correct option is B. Bacteria. Question number three. Which method checks patient identity before procedure? Correct option is D. Wristband. Question number four. Which position used for cardiac patients mainly? Correct option is B. Fowler's position. Question number five. What is the most common cause of eclampsia? Correct option is D. Hypertension. Question number six. Which vaccine prevents measles infection mainly? Correct option is B. MMR vaccine. Question number six. Which condition leads to metabolic alkalosis mainly? Correct option is B. Vomiting. Question number eight. What is normal fetal presentation at delivery? Correct option is C. Cephalic presentation. Question number nine. What is the most common site of pressure ulcer? Correct option is D. Sacrum. Question number 10. Which condition shows increased intracranial pressure mainly? Correct option is A. Trauma. Question number 11. Which condition leads to hypovolemic shock mainly? Correct option is B. Bleeding. Question number 12. Which hormone controls stress response mainly? Correct option is C. Cortisol. Question number 13. Which route avoid gastrointestinal drug metabolism? Correct option is A. Intravenous route. Question number 14. Which condition requires magnesium sulfate administration? Correct option is D. Eclampsia. Question number 15. Which vaccine requires booster dose in childhood? Correct option is D. DPT vaccine. Question number 16. Which condition shows low oxygen saturation mainly? Correct option is D. Hypoxia. Question number 17. What is the best indicator of cardiac output mainly? Correct option is B. Urine output. Question number 18. What is the most critical organ during hypoxia mainly? Correct option is B. Brain. Question number 19. What indicates ineffective infection control practice? Correct option is D. Cross infection. Question number 20. Which condition shows ST depression in ECG? Correct option is B. Ischemia.
Question number 21. Where does the measles rashes first appear? Correct option is A. Face. Question number 22. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Correct option is B. Vitamin B. Question number 23. What is the term for loss of memory? Correct option is B. Amnesia. Question number 24. What is the term for sleepwalking? Correct option is C. Somnambulism. Question number 25. What is the first sign of lithium toxicity? Correct option is A. Tremors. Question number 26. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? Correct option is D. O negative. Question number 27. What is the universal recipient blood group? Correct option is A. AB positive. Question number 28. Which organ is affected in hepatitis? Correct option is B. Liver. Question number 29. Which white blood cell increases in allergic reaction? Correct option is C. Eosinophils. Question number 30. What is the first sign of local IV site infection? Correct option is C. Redness. Question number 31. What is the best action when a patient refuses to a medication? Correct option is C. Explain. Question number 32. Which oxygen device is suitable for low flow oxygen therapy? Correct option is D. Nasal cannula. Question number 33. What is the minimum time required to take in ethical files? Correct option is A. 60 seconds. Question number 34. Which step ensured privacy during physical examination? Correct option is B. Use DREF. Question number 35. What is the correct action during administration any injection? Correct option is C. Check orders. Question number 36. Which sign indicates early hypoxia in conscious patient? Correct option is D. Restlessness. Question number 37. Which med physician is preferred for promoting venous return? Correct option is B. Leg elevation. Question number 38. What should the nurse assess before giving a diuretic? Correct option is A. Blood pressure. Question number 39. Which finding confirms correct gastric tube placement initially? Correct option is B. X-ray. Question number 40. What is the nurse priority when a patient falls from bed? Correct option is D. SS injury. Question number 41. What birth weight defines macrosomia? Correct option is C. Greater than 4 kilogram. Question number 42. Why is magnesium sulfate given in severe preeclampsia? Correct option is C. Prevent seizures. Question number 43. Which drug is used for postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is A. Carbofrost. Question number 44. Why should anatomy be avoided in high station? Correct option is the card prolapse risk. Question number 45. What increases the risk of shoulder dystocia? Correct option is C. Macrosomia. Question number 46. Which petal part descends first in vertex position? Correct option is A. Occiput. Question number 47. Which hormone maintains early pregnancy? Correct option is D. Progesterone. Question number 48. Where is the best site for Leford's first maneuver? Correct option is D. Uterine fundus. Question number 49. Which stage of labor is most painful? Correct option is the transition phase. Question number 50. How long does colostrum last postpartum? Correct option is B. 2 to 3 days. Question number 51. Where is the northern part of the pelvis? Correct option is C. Mid pelvis. Question number 52. Where is the placenta attached in voluminous insertion? Correct option is B. Membranes. Question number 53. What is the normal neonatal weight loss in first week? Correct option is B. 5 to 10%. Question number 54. Which pupil diet indicates brain herniation? Correct option is C. Dilated and paxed. Question number 55. Where is cerebrospinal fluid leakage seen? Correct option is D. Ears or nose. Question number 56. What is the first symptom of cardiac tamponade? Correct option is C. Muffled heart sound. Question number 57. Which sound is heard in pink by pericarditis? Correct option is B. Friction rub. Question number 58. Which vitamin deficiency leads to poor wound healing? Correct option is C. Vitamin C. Question number 59. Which nutrient is essential for collagen synthesis? Correct option is A, protein. Question number 60. Which electrolyte is high in extracellular fluid? Correct option is A, sodium. Question number 61. Which mineral deficiency causes anemia despite normal iron? Correct option is B, copper. Question number 62. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Correct option is D, C, vitamin D.
Question number 63. Which nerve is damaged in wrist drop? Correct option is B, radial nerve. Question number 64. Why is lidocaine given in intraventricular arrhythmia? Correct option is D, stabilize myocardium.
Question number 65. Why is iron supplementation avoided in thalassemia? Correct option is B, iron overload.
Question number 66. Which of the following vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Correct option is B, vitamin D. Question number 67. Which artery is used to measure blood pressure in infants? Correct option is C, brachial artery. Question number 68. What is the normal duration of pregnancy? Correct option is D, 280 days. Question number 69. What is the incubation period of measles? Correct option is B, 7 to 14 days. Question number 70. Which vitamin is given to newborn to prevent bleeding? Correct option is D, vitamin K. Question number 71. Which disease is prevented by DPT vaccine? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 72. Which condition causes high blood pressure during pregnancy? Correct option is C, preeclampsia. Question number 73. Which of the following disease affects the lungs primarily? Correct option is A, pneumonia. Question number 74. Which position is best for a patient with dyspnea? Correct option is B, Fowler's position. Question number 75. Which condition causes chest pain due to heart ischemia? Correct option is D, angina pectoris. Question number 76. What is the antidote for morphine overdose? Correct option is B, naloxone.
Question number 77. Which electrolyte is essential for enzyme activation? Correct option is B, magnesium. Question number 78. Which nutrient is primary energy source for brain? Correct option is C, glucose. Question number 79. Which electrolyte imbalance causes paresthesia? Correct option is a hypocalcemia. Question number 80. Why does anemia causes shortness of breath? Correct option is B. Heart failure.
Question number 81. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Correct option is C. 37 degrees centigrade. Question number 82. Hand washing is most effective method to prevent. Correct option is B. Infection. Question number 83. Which pulse site is used during CPR in adults? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 84. Which artery is used to measure pulse in infants? Correct option is B. Brachial artery. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 87. Which nutrient provides the most energy per gram? Correct option is C. Fat. Question number 88. Which hormone stimulates uterine contraction during labor? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 89. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? Correct option is A. Goiter. Question number 90. Which blood cells are responsible for immunity? Correct option is B. White blood cells. Question number 91. Which hormone prepares breast for lactation? Correct option is C. Prolactin. Question number 92. Which stage of labor begins with full cervical dilation? Correct option is B. Second stage. Question number 93. Which disease causes slap-cheeked rash? Correct option is C. Pepth disease. Question number 94. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets in children? Correct option is C. Vitamin D. Question number 95. Which diagnostic test evaluates heart electrical activity? Correct option is A. ECG. Question number 96. Which drug is used as antidote for opioid overdose? Correct option is A. Naloxone. Question number 97. Which level of prevention focuses on early disease detection? Correct option is B. Secondary. Question number 98. Which technique prevents infection during procedures? Correct option is A. Aseptic techniques. Question number 99. Which test is used to assess kidney function? Correct option is D. Serum creatinine. Question number 100. Which disease causes inflammation of joints? Correct option is A. Arthritis.